you see it in your work that it's human caused, caused by carbon in the atmosphere, caused by our huge production that we do with emissions on Earth, right? That's already the camp that you're a climate scientist. You're one of those famed individuals.
Yeah,
From
it's so we're in this really sad place that I think if it weren't for politics, I think the majority of the public would just be accepting that this is where we are at. That the climate is changing. It's our fault, because the data doesn't lie. Data doesn't lie, and it's true that climate does change naturally. Earth is an evolving planet. The orbit changes, the obliquity changes, the tilt, all these things are changing all the time, and that leads to changes on the climate. The continents are moving. So on the scale of millions of years, the climate is going to change for sure. And so, yeah, on long time scales, the climate changes naturally, and that's true. But when you look at the paleo proxy records, you look at data that goes back thousands of years, you have never seen a period in which the climate is changing as rapidly as it is right now. It just isn't. We've seen massive changes on Earth on the scale of 100 years. We've never seen that. There's nothing in the record like it. And so it's really difficult to reconcile this with being natural. It is human induced 100%. And so we are changing our climate at this rapid scale. And so, what are the consequences of that?